Hello friends, today we will discuss database query using SQL. This is Unit 2 in Class 12th IP CBSE board. So, we will discuss in this unit all type of functions like math functions, text functions, date functions, aggregate function, and also we will discuss querying and manipulating data using group by, having, and order by. Also we will discuss operation on relation, union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product, and join. As you know, in database there are some data models like relational data models where data are organized in tabular form. Second, hierarchical data model where data organized as arbitrary graph. And third one, network data model where data are organized as tree formats. So here we will discuss on relational data model. What is operations on relation? First, we see union. The SQL union operation is used to combine the result of two or more SQL select queries. In the union operation, all the numbers of data type and columns must be same in both the tables on which union operation is being applied. The union operation eliminates the duplicate rows from its result set. Remember that union operation eliminates the duplicate rows from its result set. Suppose we have one table containing two columns, number and name, having value 1 toy, 2 drum, and in second table, table Y, having also two records, 2 drum, 3 pencil. So when we apply union operation on those table using command select asterisk from X union select asterisk from Y. So it will show the data from both the table after eliminates the duplicate row. So output will be toy, drum, and pencil. Next topic, intersection. Intersection operation is used to combine two select statements, but it only returns the records which are common from both select statements. In case of intersect, the number of columns and data type must be same. So, in example, we have two records in table X and two records in table Y. After applying intersection through the command select asterisk from X, intersect select from Y, output will be record from both the tables, but it only returns the record which are common from both select statements. So output will be drum. Next, we will see minus operation. The SQL minus operators is used to return all rows in the first select statement that are not returned by the second select statement. Each select statement will define a data set. The minus operator will retrieve all records from the first data set and then remove from the results all records from the second data set. Suppose table X having toy, drum, and pencil, table Y having drum. So output will be, after applying query, select asterisk from X minus select asterisk from Y, output will be toy and pencil. Cartesian product. The Cartesian product is also an operator which works on two sets. It is sometimes called the cross product or cross join. It combines the tuples of one relation with all the tuples of the other relation. Example, table X having toy and drum, table Y having BBSR and KPT. So after Cartesian product, applying command select asterisk from X, Cartesian product select asterisk from Y, it will work each element of first table combined with every elements of second table. Likewise, second time, second element will combine with the all elements of the second table. So output will be toy with ABC, toy with XYZ, drum with ABC, drum with XYZ. So in Cartesian product, each elements of first table will combine with every elements of second table. Next, join. Join in SQL are commands which are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between those tables. They are predominantly used when a user is trying to extract data from tables which have one-to-many or many-to-many relationship between them. So here some forms of join operations are, first we will see equijoin. In an equijoin, the value in the column being joined are compared for equality. All the column in the table being joined are included in the result. This is the command select asterisk from table name, comma second table name, where employee.department number equal to department.department number. So data are joining from these two tables by checking or comparing their equality. So it will show the result, all the details from the both table including the identical column also. Next, non-equijoin. A non-equijoin is a query that specifies some relationship other than equality between the columns. After applying the command, here you can see we are taking data from two tables by applying some query where salary and between low salary and high salary. So here through the between command we are comparing elements from both the tables. So this is known non-equijoin. Natural join. The join in which only one of the identical column exists. When applying this, it will show the result from both the table but identical columns will be showed. Cross join. The cross join is a very basic type of join that simply matches each row from one table to every row from another table. This is known as cross join. So when we apply join on two tables, it will show the data from both the table. Left join. All rows from the first table will be returned whether there are matches in the second table or not. For unmatched rows of first table, null is shown in column of second table. So this is the code for the applying left join. So it will display the result. Next, right join. All rows from the second table will be returned, whether there are matches in the first table or not. For unmatched rows of second table, null is shown in column of first table. So this is the command to find right join. And these are the functions having SQL. So this is the summary. These are the functions with the purposes. Now we will talk about querying and manipulating data using group by, having and order by. So first we will see group by. The group by statement groups rows that have the same values into summary rows, like find the number of customers in each country. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions like count, min, max, average, sum to group the results set by one or more column. This is the syntax. Select, then column name from table name, where condition group by column name. According to this column, this will be grouped on the basis of condition. So this is the example where select count customer ID, comma country from customers group by country. So it will grouping elements country wise from the table customer, and it will show after counting the number of customers IDs available and the name of country. Next, having clause. The having clause is often used with the group by clause of filter groups based on a specified list of condition. So having is used to define a condition in SQL or MySQL, but it always used with the group by function. So this is the syntax to find or to apply having clause, and this is the example. So here select asterisk from student group by city. It will grouping elements city wise where marks is greater than 25, means having marks greater than 25. Next, order by. The SQL order by clause is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. Some databases sort the query results in an ascending order by default. So this is the syntax where condition, then order by column name. After column name, we have to write keyword ASC for ascending and DESC for descending, but we omit this line, so automatically it will take ascending by default. And this is the example. Thank you for listening me.